In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable USB tethering on Samsung Galaxy S25. USB tethering allows you to share your hotspot with a cable, so it's pretty convenient because it makes it faster and reliable. And also, if the device you're connecting to does not support the Wi-Fi, then it's also really great for that matter. And to do it, you need to first be connected with a cable to your device that you want to share your internet to. Then you can go to the settings and go to connections, then mobile hotspot and tethering, and enable USB tethering. And now on your other device that you're connected to, you should be able to connect to the internet. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.